Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last week Friday, late in my region, Microsoft rolled out the latest combined dev and beta channel insider preview build 26.120.3360. So just a quick overview as to what's new in regards to improvements and new features. Now just a quick reminder, these updates will be optional at first for the beta channel insiders, so just take note of that. I have mentioned that previously. And the first new improvement Microsoft says is that you can now choose what lock screen widgets appear on the lock screen, which I think is a nice move. And you can now add, remove and rearrange lock screen widgets such as your weather, watch list, traffic, sports, and so on. And any widget that supports the small sizing option can be added here, according to Microsoft. And I think this is a nice move. Now, in the stable version, it's a little bit different, as you may know. In the stable version, it's all or nothing. You cannot choose which widgets appear or rearrange them. You've either got none, so you can turn the widgets off, or if you choose weather and more, you get the full house. So I think this is a nice move. And Microsoft says that it's starting this rollout first with insiders in the EEA and plans to expand to insiders in other regions in the future. And insiders outside the EEA will continue to see the weather and more. So just take note of that. Now moving on to the next, and this is quite an interesting development where there are CPU improvements for the task manager. Now Microsoft says regarding this, that it's beginning to roll out a change to the way Task Manager calculates CPU utilization for the processes, performance, and user pages. And Task Manager will now use the standard metrics to display CPU workload consistently across all pages, and they say this aligns with industry standards and third-party tools. Now, they mention that if we head to an image provided, just to give us an idea, they mention that for backward compatibility, a new optional column called CPU utility is available on the details tab, showing the previous CPU value used on the processes page. And what you're looking at here is the new CPU utility column option for details page in the task manager. So just to show you where this will all be available if and when it rolls out to the stable version. If we head back to the task manager, head to details, and we just right click here, select columns. That CPU utility will be part and parcel of this select columns menu. So that's a bit of a CPU improvement, and when it comes to better CPU monitoring for the task manager, which I actually think is quite a nice move. And then moving on to the next, I think this is also a step forward where Microsoft says that it's adding the ability to share directly to apps that support sharing in Windows when right-clicking on local files in the File Explorer or the desktop. And I think if you are sharing a lot of files, I don't, but if you are, I think Microsoft is adding a nice couple of new sharing options in the Windows 11 operating system, and I think this is a nice touch. Be able to share directly from local files from the desktop or the File Explorer, just to mention two examples. And then over and above that, guys, we've got some fixes rolling out, and then because it is an early preview build, we have a good couple of known issues, which is common in the Insider program. And then there is a snipping tool update that introduces trim. Now, I posted a whole video on this, and I'll leave that link down below and in the end screen. But with trim, you can adjust the start and end times of your screen recordings to cut out any unnecessary video snippets from your video. And I think that's also a nice touch for the snipping tool. Go check that video out if you'd like some more information. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.